Okay, now a little demo on using Excel to create a simple random sample from a finite population. We'll use the EAI data file that's contained within the data files out on Canvas. And you'll see this file is regarding annual salaries. So the first thing we'll do is create a random numbers column. And we'll add a little formatting just for consistency. And now we need to add our Excel random numbers formula. So that's just going to be equal rand open close paren. And then we'll want to add that to all of the other cells in this column. Once we've done that, we're actually going to copy all of those values and paste them back in so that we have the values and not the formula. So then we'll right click and paste values. Then we should be able to hit the escape button and we'll see we have those values saved. Now I want to select all of the values in our data set, and then we'll go to sort and filter, and we'll do a custom sort. And we're going to sort by that random numbers column, sort on cell values, smallest to largest. See, the manager numbers changed and they're not in order anymore. So now if we want to select our sample of 30, we'd start with column 2 because row 2 because row 1 has column headers, and simply come down to 31. And there's our random sample.